Welcome to Nutriplex. Nutriplex aims to provide an organic and healthy gateway in people's lives. Our team of nutritionists are highly trained and experienced professionals who are passionate about helping people achieve optimal health through good nutrition.
Whether you're looking to lose weight, manage a chronic illness, or just improve your overall health, we're here to help. Nutriplex is an umbrella under which you can avail various services such as diet and nutrition therapies, physiotherapies, fitness trainings, personal training, and coaching.
We also offer cooking classes and workshops to help you learn how to prepare healthy meals that taste great. And to complement your nutrition plan, we offer exercise programs designed to help you achieve your fitness goals. We believe that a healthy diet is the foundation for a healthy life.
So why wait? Schedule your appointment today and start your journey towards a healthier, happier you.